Yamaha Clavinova repair for a busted up key bed assembly. Well, we diagnosed the unit. It's got massive key bed issues, and we've actually pulled the key bed, and here it is, massive damage, and we're gonna order one up and get it fixed. Okay, here we are with the Yamaha. This has got to be a Clavinova of some manner or other. We'll get that clarified here shortly, but we had a pretty extensive key bed damage in the product, and we have ordered up some parts. Is that right, Bob? We ordered the key bed assembly complete, which luckily was still available, and we're going to replace that and get this instrument restored. Okay, we are connecting some of the critical key bed connectors to the electronics. Okay, and we have all the electronics connected, and we are now finalizing the replacement key bed installation.
Whatever you want, though.
Yep. All right, getting close here. Got most of the electronics back in position. Finalizing the reattachment. Okay, we have basically everything back in position, and electronics are in. The display panel is in and up. The key bed is replaced, and we're gonna call this one ready to go. Another one bites the dust. And 130582.